Hello viewers, in Photoshop we will use the designs structure here. I will use a pen. Keep editing the designs here. Make some changes. Let's use another shape. There we are. And keep choosing that shapes again. What's the structure we have found it? There is a circular shape in the center.